we have the Husqvarna Carpenters Hatchet. It comes with this really thick leather mask, has brass rivets there, and a nice full wilt. Really thick leather, brass snap on it, and it has a hickory handle with pretty decent grain orientation. I've got some Ranger bands on here. It says Husqvarna on the handle. It's also stamped into the blade. It says hand forged, made in Sweden. I removed a bunch of the forging scale off of this because the entire thing pretty much looked like this down to the blade. But I sanded a bunch of that off. Gave it a little bit more of a silvery shine up there now. And I think it looks pretty good. I resharpened it. It's fairly sharp. It's got the double wedges, the wood wedge and the steel wedge. And let's see here. It's hung on the handle quite well. Really nice Carpenter's Axe, Carpenter's Hatchet. Okay, we got a sheet of paper here. We'll do a quick paper cut test. Pretty sharp. Not too shabby.